Did you know that edamame is a powerhouse of nutrients? Not only is it high in protein, but it's also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can enhance your overall health. Try this simple and delicious edamame hummus recipe today. Just one ingredient you need is 1 cup of shelled edamame. Simply blend them with 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a clove of garlic. Add a pinch of salt and blend until smooth. If you prefer a creamier texture, add a little water until you reach your desired consistency. Imagine a snack that is not only tasty, but keeps you full for hours. This hummus is vibrant green, rich, and creamy, making it perfect as a dip for fresh veggies or spread on whole grain toast. Plus, the combination of protein and healthy fats in edamame provides sustained energy without the crash, making it an ideal choice for a midday pick-me-up. So, would you try this? It's a fun and easy way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet while enjoying a flavorful treat. Share your thoughts and let me know your favorite healthy food hack for snacking.